everyone! This video will be about financial model of a hotel. If it's useful, please give us a like, subscribe our channel, push the bell button and leave us a comment. Also, you can order financial business models from scratch or download this model. The link to download is below this video. If you have a business idea of starting your own hotel, this simple financial model can help you to evaluate the amount of money you need to start this business. Besides, you will also be able to see the profit, payback period of your investment and profitability of your future operational activity. Of course, it will be very interesting for you to know how stable your business idea is if something happens with revenue and expenses. Now let's go through the model and I will show you what items you should pay attention to if you want to run this business. In our model, all inputs are colored in blue. Other cells are automatic. First of all, we enter the year when all our financial projections start. Then, we enter the year and month when our hotel gets the first revenue. Now we have to construct a revenue-generating algorithm. First of all, we mention all our room types. Then, we have a switch on and switch off button. Using this button, we can include and exclude the revenue and direct costs from each type of room from evaluation of profit and payback period in our financial business model. Then, we set up prices per day, direct cost per day for each room type. Also, we specify the amount of each type of room in our hotel. Then, we have three columns of coefficients which have a value of 100% by default. Using these coefficients, we can quickly adjust the pricing for each type of room without changing the absolute values of prices. Also, we have the same coefficients to direct cost and the amount of each type of room in our hotel. The next table is a typical year where we set the amount of days to get a total of 365 days in a year. The next block of inputs deals with occupancy of all our room types inside a typical year. If our hotel has any seasonality, now it's time to mention it. Here, in this table, 100% value is a maximum. When we start our hotel, we won't be able to get maximum occupancy right in the first month. So, we need to set up the pace of achieving our planned occupancy. This is really a very important block of inputs because it affects the appearance of operational losses. These operational losses appear during a time period when expenses are higher than revenue. It's a period of reaching the break-even point. These losses must be added to the amount of money needed on the investment stage. Operational losses plus investment will give you the final amount of money needed to start your hotel. The next block of inputs deals with investment needed before we start operational activity stage. Green column will show us the moment when we start operating activity. Moving to the past from the moment of starting the operation activity, we describe our investment stage. Here, we specify what item we invest in, when we invest, and how much we invest. Then, we have a payroll table where we mention salaries, positions, and the amount of people on each position. Our hotel may also have some fixed costs which can be specified here. We've marked a typical year where you can put your fixed costs even if they have some seasonal fluctuations. Going ahead, we also have a depreciation table. If we have a depreciation for the investment item, we can set a depreciation status and specify the period of depreciation in months. The next block of inputs deals with taxes. You can set the tax rates and move to the cash flow statement, where you will see the results of financial modeling. Cash flow is the main statement where you see financial efficiency of your business idea. What valuable information can you get from this table? First, you can see the total revenue, direct and fixed costs, payroll, and taxes. Second, you can see your monthly profit and cumulative cash balance. Third, one of the main things you will see from cash flow is total amount of money you need to start the business. If you see that total financing is bigger than the amount of money you have, you can add a loan parameters. Amount of loan, month and year you get it, loan term in months, interest rate, and grace period for interest and body payment of the loan. After cash flow statement, we can see lines with profit and profitability. Then, you can set the discount rate and look at the final financial efficiency parameters of your hotel. Now we can see the graphic illustration of our business idea. Here, we see in monthly detail simple and discounted payback period, loan coverage ratio, revenue and total expenses, profit, profitability, cash balance, cumulative profit, operation profit, and loan payment. Then we have the same information done yearly. On the next Excel sheet, we have gathered yearly consolidated cash flow statement, profit loss statement, and main financial results of your hotel. Finally, we see the financial efficiency of your hotel. Is this model stable? What will happen to your business if revenue decreases or expenses rise? Now it's time to apply sensitivity analysis. Further, we have several Excel sheets where we test financial efficiency. We test the influence of such parameters as revenue, fixed and direct costs, payroll, investment, interest rate, and loan amount. How does it work? For example, let's go to the revenue sensitivity test. Here, we set the pace of increasing or decreasing the revenue. Then, we push Sense button and see when our financial efficiency will go negative. Now we see how stable our hotel business model is. Plus, it's a great moment to rethink your business strategy in time before you start investment your money in business. Maybe it's a good time to return back to inputs and create new scenario which is more financially strong. The same story goes with all other blocks of sensitivity analysis. So, this was Hotel Financial Business Model. You can download it. The link to download is below this video. If this video was useful to you, please give us a like, share it with your friends, subscribe our channel, push the bell button or leave us a comment. Also, you can ask us to prepare an individual financial model. Let's test your business idea. Stay tuned and bye-bye!